You just found the 2020 Hyundai Elantra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This energetic and feature-packed Elantra delivers the style and convenience you need to make driving a soothing part of your busy day. From its sculpted modern looks to its refined ride and tech-savvy approach to safety and infotainment, this compact sedan represents an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, traction control. Be inspired to drive your best life in this smart and stylish Elantra. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.